Anytime Fitness now has some great tips for your weight loss.
Here are a few tips to get you started before you get into the gym. So one of the biggest misconceptions for athletes as well as anybody is our hydration prior to getting into the gym. We want to make sure that we're well hydrated, lots of water the day before as well as leading up to make sure we have the energy to fuel us through the workout. Another misconception is what we're eating prior to the workout. So if we're focusing on cardio, get that sugar intake up, but if we're looking at more weight training, that's when we're going to look at more carbohydrate dense foods. Keep this in mind for the next time you get into the gym for the best workout possible.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.